Hello everyone. Today we are going to solve the third question from book I.E. Rudolph and the topic kinematics. And the question is like a car starts moving rectilinearly first with acceleration a is equals to 5 meter per second square, and given that initial velocity is equals to 0, then it moves with uniform velocity, and finally decelerating at some rate a comes to a stop. The total time of motion equals 25 seconds, and the average velocity during that time is equals to 72 km per hour. This is the symbol for average velocity. And how long does the car moves uniformly? Let's formulate the problem. We can solve it by theoretical method, algebraic method, but I think a graphical method is the best one, and that is the shortest one. So I'll go with that method. I'll draw VT curve. So first of all, it is given car starts from rest, so initial velocity is 0, then it moves with 5 meter per second square, that is uniform acceleration. It moves with uniform velocity for some time and then deaccelerating at same acceleration 5 meter per second square. So this is the question, this is the graph. So total time is 25 seconds. It is given that total time is 25 seconds. Given that average velocity is 72 km per hour. So we can reduce it 72 in meter per second. 72 into 5 by 18, that will give me 20 meter per second. Okay, 20 meter per second, that's my average velocity. So what is average velocity? Average velocity, we have discussed it in last lecture. So it is total displacement upon total time. Total displacement upon total time. So this will give me average velocity, that is 20. Total displacement, I have to find the total displacement and total time. Total time is 25, that will give me total displacement. Total displacement is equals to 500 meter. So this total displacement means area under the curve. I know the total area under the curve, but I need to find this part. Let's say this is x, this is x, because these two are symmetric. Okay, I want to find this 25 minus 2x. I need to find this part. This is the uniform velocity, and in the question they are asking me for the time for which car moved uniformly. So this is the time I need to find. Okay, very simple. If we know this area, we can find this. So we have to find 25 minus 2x. This will be my answer if I know x. So let's start finding this area plus this area plus this area, that will be equals to 500. Okay, 500 is equals to this area. Now let's say this is y, and we know slope is equals to 5, because this acceleration is 5. Slope is opposite by adjacent side, that is y by 5, y by x. In this triangle, slope is y by x. This implies y is equals to 5x. So I'll use this relation. So 500 in this, half into base into height. Base is x into y, and these are two triangles with same data. So I'll multiply it with 2 plus this. This is y into 25 minus 2x. This is I need to find. Okay, solve it. 500 half, what is y? Y is 5x. This is x into 5x into 2. I can cancel 2 with 2. So y is 5x into 25 minus 2x. I'll solve it. 5 is equals to, this will give me 5x square plus this is 125x minus 5 2s are 10x. So 5x square plus 125 into 10x. Now this is this will give me, this is 10x square. So it will give me 5x square minus 125x plus 500 is equals to 0. Dividing both sides by 5, this will give me x square minus 25x plus 100 is equals to 0. And solving for this, now x minus, I can break the middle term, x square minus 20 x minus 5x plus 100 equals to 0. Now x will give me, on solving this will give me like this, x minus 20 is equals to 0. This implies solving the quadratic x is either equals to 5 or 20, but I need to find 25 minus 2x, and this is my time, 25 minus 2x. If I will put 20 in x, then time will be negative, and that this is not possible, so I'll go with 5. So x is equals to 5, so x is my answer, x is equals to 5 is my answer. So time is 25 minus 2 into 5, that will give me 15 seconds. That's my answer. I think this is the shortest method for me. If you know much smarter method, you can comment below the video. Thank you.